Start recording checkbox not checked.
Am I live?
Audio 0.0.
Hello,
0.0 dB.
hello, hello,
Slider.
hello.
0 ops 2
I
ops 2
don't
6.
know.
0.0
Does it
0 audio
work?
audio mixer window
Audio
sources
mixer, sources.
flow game display capture list game capture list item desk mix slash ops 2 6 1 0 left parang 64 dash bit to fade combo duration
I don't know.
ops game 0 point ops 2 6 1
How the fuck do I tell? Hold on.
Google Gemini dash Google Chrome dash
No, that's Gemini.
live streaming dash YouTube
Live streaming.
Ships da-
And oh, yes, we are indeed live on the
Set,
YouTube
back, push button.
streaming
Google
platform. I pray to God I didn't show my stream key. All right. Well, welcome. I think people can hear me. I don't know. Well, shit. I don't know.
scene trend
Hold
start
on.
start
Actually, you know,
Controls.
I figure I'll be transparent about my process here.
H
How
O S
do
T O
I
S T L S
tell
S S M
if
S
my
U D I O S S T O K N T O S M S T O A M question space space S E U P space O B S space R T H T H dash T O N S K W space space T D O S O K N G period enter
Okay. If you can hear my screen
Gemini
reader,
reply.
I'm sorry you have to, but you know, I'm blind. That's what I got to do. So, in the meantime, actually, I was going to
Music.
do this. So I have
delete
We're going to get rid of all
delete
that.
delete
Go away.
delete
I have Google FX open here.
delete IFL
And we
P
can
H O
put
N
on
K enter
some funk, and I think
VIOLIN
violin
space.
sounds pretty awesome.
enter violin
Yeah, that's
Funk.
pretty good. Okay,
restart under volume underline up volume up push button
how do I lower this?
music
Oh, there we go. Because we don't want
100
it to be
71 64 53
overpowering.
play underline arrow play music
Awesome. Let's get to work.
excellent question. It's one of the most common points of anxiety for new streamers. Fortunately, Ops and YouTube give you a few easy ways to check your audio at every step of the process. Here's a complete guide. From checking in Ops before you go live to confirming it on you. Part 1 colon checking in Ops left paren beef. This is your most important line of defense. If the method 1 colon the audio mixer left paren look at the bottom dash center of your Ops window for the look quote audio mixer quote. You should see separate channels for your audio sources, like quote desktop audio quote and quote mix slash ax quote. Talk into your microphone. As you talk, you should see the volume bar for your quote mix slash ax quote channel light up and move. It will bounce in the
Mix/X.
if the bar is moving. Ops is successfully capturing your microphone audio. If the bar is not moving. Ops isn't detecting your mic if the bar is not moving. You can test your desktop audio by playing a song or a video on your computer. You should method 2 colon audio monitoring left paren to hear exactly what your viewers will hear right paren.
Well, how do we do that?
This lets you listen to your own audio output through headphones. Quote audio mixer quote. Comma click the 3 dash dots icon left paren. Right paren next to your microphone's channel.
Okay.
Quote advanced dot select. Quote advanced audio properties quote.
Okay.
A new window will open. Find the row corresponding to your microphone. A new window will open. A new quote audio monitoring quote.
Okay.
Quote controls. 0 point 0 point 0. Ops 26 0 desktop audio mixer window desktop audio text
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
mix
Hold on. Let's turn it.
media play pause
Oh, no, we're not doing
media
that.
play pause
I'm not allowed to play Venom on this channel. They're gonna get big bad. Okay.
live streaming dash YouTube studio
No, that's the wrong
music
one.
pause audio
This
play
one. There we go.
tasks
Okay.
0 point ops 26
Hello? It says mic audio. Does it? Oh, yeah, it does, because it's going. I can barely see that little. Oh, fuck, it's gone. There it is, the black line. And it goes up and down and up and down. Alrighty, I guess we're live. Cool.
music
Anyways, we're gonna do some coding, and it's gonna be awesome.
play underline music
So I'm not gonna do any AI stuff because I use LM Studio for kind of local hosting. My computer's kind of shit. I got 6 gigabytes of VRAM on a NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti, and my memory, I've got 16 gigabytes of RAM, some sort of Intel processor. I don't know. But like, yeah, my computer kind of sucks. So I don't even know if I could run LM Studio and OBS at the same time. But we can make a game. That'd be awesome, right? Cool. I just want to be, and yet I am a little sick, so I'm sorry if I sound a bit funny, but it is what it is. Griggs.com, Poggers, and this is my website.
Damien Griggs - Google Chrome - Lee.
Yes,
Damien
games.
Damien.
And then I've got games on my website. I made this one yesterday with my friend. It was pretty awesome. I'd have to turn off my screen reader, and I can't. Oh shit! I'm sorry. I drank tea like 30 minutes ago.
Unloading JAWS. Quick enter. Damien.
But like, yeah, you come here, click, and then it's oh, doodle jump, and there, yeah. Oh, never mind. Okay, but like I can barely see this. And I know in my website it says, I'm not going to make games I don't play. But I made this one with my friends, so I figured I'd put it on the website and stuff. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I do. I don't have screen reader on right now. Let's go. New chat. And then we'll turn JAWS back on. That's the screen reader I use.
JAWS. Damien. Orbs 26. YouTube Music app. Steam. List I. JAWS up to JAWS Perfect. JAWS updates. Yes. Alt F4. Google.
Oh yeah, I have my whatever. But yeah.
Button menu. Customize and control Google Chrome.
This is not going the way I wanted it to. But you know, that's the price of transparency. So y'all will get to see, yeah, I listen to Venom because their music rocks. I'm not like a satanic person, but they got some good riffs, dude. Their guitars are awesome, and the vocals of damn, what's his name? I don't remember the name of the lead singer, but his vocals are pretty good. Anyway, yeah.
Yes. Enter.
Visual Studio.
Visual Studio Code. Narrative underline suite.
Oh shit,
Narrative.
that's not allowed to be open. I'm fucking up big time, dude. I will have to delete that key now. That's fine. Whatever.
Visual.
I didn't prepare for this at all. I woke up yesterday morning. I was like, I'm gonna do a stream, and it's gonna be
Main
epic. And well,
Control N. Untitled dash one.
Untitled.
Control Shift S.
Shift
Save
S.
items. Damien Smith. Split.
Go
Items.
here.
My dot. Item text position on items. Shell context menu. New submenu.
New
Folder.
folder.
Enter. Leaving. Dare. A.
Whatever. I was gonna switch my narrative suite to. Well, that's not even my most impressive project right now. Anyway, that's the one I initially tested my perceptual grid engine on. But I didn't even think about what game we're gonna make. Let's do. Damn. Well, what if? I wonder if we could do Fruit Ninja. That'd be kind of pog. I don't think I could play that though, with my vision. I played it all the time as a kid. You know, actually, we could try that. Yeah.
R
M
A G G A N. Enter. Items view list box.
Yes.
Farm items bar manage.
This would be
Items view.
awesome.
Unfile name code. Untitled. A P P period P Y. Enter. Untitled.
Okay.
Control Shift S. Items view. Save as. Damien Smith.
Do I want to use? Yes, I do.
.org. Studio. AIC
Okay.
contractor. AIC.
I'll give you guys
Save
a little showcase.
Save as.
It'll be
Items
awesome.
Copy select. Save item.
So this
Save
is
as.
my
Dialog.
code architect.
App.
So most of this is on my GitHub.
Terminal.
So
C D quote paste it quote enter command succeeded
Okay.
S T A M L space U N space C O D D underline A R A T C T underline A P P period P Y enter terminal 2 use it
Oh my god. What did I do wrong?
streamlit run code underline
code architect underline app.py. That's what it is, bro. Okay, run Streamlit. So,
Google Chrome dash.
and we're in the, oh, that's the contract.
Control Shift S.
Okay.
Save it. Save up to Damian Smith. Conduct and
Well, you know, it would help if I could read.
AI AI code art. Shelf.
That'd be kind of
Save it.
awesome, you
Damian AI
know.
code address save as.
But
Dial
whatever.
Copy select.
Copied.
Save cancel button.
Cancel. I was planning on resting today because I kind of feel like shit. I'm not gonna lie, but like
Terminal. Blank.
I told my friend I'd stream today,
Blank.
and wait, hold up. Yeah, contract.
CD.
Okay.
Space quote. Paste.
Pasted.
Quote. Enter.
Quote.
Command succeeded.
Yes.
CD quote. CD quote C.
Shut up. Okay. Streamlit run code architect. Yes.
Terminal. Opening new.
There we go.
Your generated.
Oh, yay. And then you guys didn't get to
Page
see
one,
my fucking key. Wow. Awesome. I'm going to have to delete the narrative Streamlit one, but that's cool. I'll just make a new one. It doesn't matter.
App dismissed app.py dash bit Google Gemini dash Google.
But now we come back here and I say,
Google.
I want to make a prompt for my code architect for a single file bar keeping that is text-based with narrator that saves MP, this is important, MP3s locally.
Comma space.
This should be coded for Pygame.
Period. Space.
Okay. Core features. Features should be purchasing stock.
Comma. Comma.
We'll start with just alcohol.
Space. I period E period space L O A O L. Comma space.
Hiring waitresses slash bartenders,
comma space.
kitchen staff,
comma space
and
manager period space
yes.
space period S period space.
Okay. And then I think that's good for now, and then we can improve. The code architect builds the foundation. That's its whole purpose. And then you'll see, but I use Gemini to kind of fix it up. And then we put it in there. But managers, what else? Yeah, I think that's good for now. We'll let it do its thing. And we'll switch it to Canvas here later. But for now, it's just gonna... Oh, never mind. It's just gonna do it for me. We're gonna do... We're doing Canvas. Okay, this violin is pretty awesome.
Delete. Push button. Music. Delete. I.
We're gonna go to cowbell.
L. Enter. Delete.
We're gonna go to
Bass.
cowbell.
Push bass. Low.
Oh, I forgot to move the chaos
push
up
button.
a
Low.
little. Right there. Pog. Alright, that's pretty cool.
Game. Project title: quote the digital draft dash a text dash base bar management RPG.
Oh, that's clever. The digital draft. Okay.
Project title:
I don't think about these things in advance.
Project title:
Sometimes I
title:
do.
quote the digital draft e a single dash file text dash base.
Okay, but yeah, we're gonna
Ends
copy
function
it.
to files for the narrating menu. Will allows the player continues. Copy. The player continues to manage the bar day dash by dash, hiring more staff, expanding their menu, and dealing with random events.
Cool. That's awesome.
PG. Enter.
PGE code
Enter your
architect.
PG. Pasted from clipboard.
And then we have to mess with the slider here, because this remembers like how many chunks. So like, let's say it's doing a segment for import, you know, the imports. When it goes to the second section, it'll remember the import section and this section, and then a summary will be generated of the sections that go outside of the context window, which is how the memory works.
How it works.
Oh, yeah. Or you could just read the how it works thing here.
Pre-time colon.
Oh yeah, no, that just tells what the thing goes over. I don't really. When you're blind, you miss a lot of things and you forget. And I kind of forgot that this was there.
Creates a detailed plan.
But yeah, it creates a detailed plan, and then it'll generate segment by segment. But yeah, we've got 2 here. We'll try
Enter
2.
your detailed enter your detailed prompt project title quote the digital draft quote.
Cool. And then
Generate application.
Generate application.
Architectural planning.
And then it's gonna go.
Step heavy check marks.
Then there it goes, and you could view
Code
the
generation. Keyboard
plan
underline arrow.
there. And then it starts
Step
generating.
3/4 gen. Classes and functions.
Yeah, and then it's generating classes, functions, all that stuff. Going a little piece by piece.
Generating section colon. Main game loop.
And the main game
Generating
loop.
section colon. Keyboard underline. Check mark initial code generation.
Oh, and then it goes.
Step 3 colon performing final review and correcting
the final review and correcting the final code. And then usually the first draft, it depends. It usually needs tweaking. So that's when we begin the refinement loop. And forgive me, this tiny copy box is, well, tiny. So use my grid
2
financial
code.
And then to the right here.
Copy to clipboard.
There it is. Okay. Copied. I wonder, can you guys see it when I zoom in?
Task app.py-visual studio code ops 261
ops 26. Yeah, I think so. Well, that's cool.
Google check stand.
But yeah.
Battery.
Then we go here. And we say, how does this code look? I'd like you to review it and tell me its quality.
Quote.
No.
Quote.
No.
Colon.
There
Shift
we go.
enter.
Shift enter.
Pasted from
Paste.
Enter.
Enter.
Gemini replied.
Oh my god, I told it not to do that. Whatever.
This is a fantastic start. This is a fantastic and sets up a solid foundation for the rest of your game. Let's break down the quality of the code. Here's my review.
Oh my god. Fine. Whatever.
Overall quality high quality foundation. This code is a great starting point for the game. The overall quality is high for an initial draft. It demonstrates a good understanding of Python principles left paren like classes right paren and the basic structure of a Pygame application. The code is clean, readable, and uses constants effectively, which makes it easy to modify later.
Okay.
Excellent. What's done well? Excellent structure colon. Right paren to model. Clear use of constants colon.
Okay.
Clear readability colon.
Okay.
The main game loop. The main game solid Pygame boilerplate. The main game.
Okay.
Class modular narrator colon.
Okay.
Areas for improvement and next steps. Handle under the main areas for improvement are centered on filling in the placeholder functions and adding the core game logic. Here are some suggestions on how to approach the colon. Handle underline input left paren right paren. This is your create a variable. This is your most important next step. You need a way for the player to enter commands. Suggestion colon. Create a variable to store the player's current input string. Pygame.ping up. Suggestion. Pygame.event.get left paren right paren.
Okay.
If the key is Pygame.k underline.
I should probably say something other than K.
If it's Pygame.k underline.
God, fucking read it, dude. Jesus.
Finally, render
right.
Player underline input. Simulate underline. This function should contain the logic for what happened. Suggestion colon. This function should not be empty.
Cool. Well, it's done it. To just really showcase my engine.
Leaving PGE single dash 5. PGE tab.
We go over here. Let's crank up the slider. See what it does at 3.
Generate application. Push button. Horizontal.
Because I like to give Gemini choices. So it'll either really like this script.
Mark step 1 colon detailed structural plan created. Code generation initiated.
Or it'll really like the other one more. But either way, the kind of tells to look for is if it tells you like there's duplicated text, the context window is too small. You gotta raise it up. If it says things like there's missing stuff or whatever, like things are like empty and like critical errors, that means the context window is too high.
Heavy check mark initial code generation completed. Self-correction and refinement initiated.
Self-correction. Cool. But yeah, let's see it. And then
heavy check mark step 3 colon self-correction.
And it's done. We go back up here.
Pygame.
And we go to the right.
Copy to clipboard.
Always trust the system. If you don't trust the system, you're gonna
mess
up. It's gonna kind of suck. Is this code any better?
Question? Shift enter. Pasted from clipboard. Enter. Gemini. Justice.
And just keep in
Gemini
mind
reply.
too, my code architect runs on Gemini 1.5 Flash, so it's not built for coding, but it does. You know. My other models though, like Damien AI, which is on GitHub and on my website, I can't host it though, because it's kind of a powerful boy. But that runs on Llama 3 8B, which runs pretty slow. Cause
Let's update. Leap forward from the initial skeleton. Yes, this code is significantly better. This is a leap
Oh,
forward from the
okay.
initial skeleton. You've taken the advice from the review and implemented a ton of core functionality. The game class is a fantastic architectural decision. Let's update the review to reflect these excellent changes and outline the next critical steps to make the game truly playable. Here is the updated code review.
Oh, okay. Well, it likes that more.
Let's this.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Is it done? Yes. Okay. Well, now is when we go to like the
Tools. Push button.
refinement stage. So we'll say,
Okay.
okay,
Comma space P E A
please
space A
make
space
this
O P
code
P L A Y
playable
E space U
using
space
the oh right, using
F
the
U T T
suggestions
Y U space
you
A
made
O
for
space T
it.
colon Shift and pasted from clipboard.
Paste.
Enter a prompt here.
Cool. And
Task
then
switching. PG
we are
close document.
done with the PGE. Code architect.
Arts 2.6. Google app.py dash Visual Studio Code.
App.py, Visual Studio Code. Okay.
Main
Let me go back.
Control O. File name colon. App.py. Code address open bar manager game. Address colon
Bar
C colon.
manager game.
Copy select C colon. Might open.
I might change the title of that. We'll see.
Copilot.
And then
But terminal 2.
Here.
Stopping
Control
dot.
C.
Pasted from
Control
clipboard.
D.
C.
Oh wait, no.
Undo.
I fucked
Caret
up.
C.
Okay.
C. Blank. C. D. Space. Quote.
Quote,
Pasted.
paste,
Quote.
quote.
Enter. Command succeeded. C colon back. Task switching. To move.
Very nice.
Of course, I've taken your code and implemented the suggestions to make it fully playable.
Make it fully playable.
The two critical fixes are
Two
colon.
critical fixes are. There's only two. Awesome.
A new Pygame dash native input system colon.
Input system.
A turn dash based game loop
Turn
colon.
dash game loop.
I also added a message log for in dash game feedback. Here is the revised playable code colon.
Playable code.
How to play the new version colon. Run a Python script. The Pygame window will appear.
Oh yeah, I already know how to do that. We'll do Python app.py.
Help use the enter. To submit your command.
I love the way it babysits me. Anyway,
Use the command. Help command. To see a list of available actions.
okay.
By manage your bar. Manage your bar. Manage your bar. Next day. To see your results and serve customers. This version is
Cool.
now
That's Pog. All right, that's
selected.
good to know.
Input feed selection to app. Main region. Pasted from clipboard.
Paste.
Control S.
Control S. Here, how many lines is that? Hold on. Almost 300, 273 or so. Cool. That's nice. I love the way I have to scroll. Anyways,
Terminal 2. P. Y. T. O. S. A. P. P. Period. P. Y. Enter. Terminal 2. Python use Alt plus F1 for terminal accessibility help.
Welcome
C
to the
colon back.
digital draft.
Oh, cool.
You've inherited a small bar. Good luck.
Type help. Money. 10.
The digital
No,
graph.
no, that's $1,000. Day 1. Reputation. 50/100. Okay. Where do I type? Oh, it's down here.
The digital draft.
Okay.
H. E. L. P. Enter.
Commands by item. Quantity. Well, it doesn't tell me. Okay. No, we gotta fix it.
Alt F4. App. Terminal 2.
Copy.
Feed selection to clip. Task switch. Google Gemini close panel. Put
Okay.
Google Gemini 2. T A space G M E A U S C A S A N space R space F P A S space I N I T A L Y space T A space T A space A R A T R
Narrator.
space B U space O U space E E space O space A space F U space R space S S U S E S space L A L space M P 3 S space T A space R T space G N E R A T S comma space
Also, there is no way to see inventory.
Pure space. Wow,
You
space.
should
U T space A D T space I N E N T O Y space U I space L space P A R S space K N O space O space T O space V E space double A T space T E Y space N E T space O space U Y space A N T space O space U space I space O S T S space.
Fuck. Wholesale? Yes. Costs. Oh yeah, to produce and retail price
space
with a profit. Oh, now it's getting hot. Margin.
Pure space.
Here is current
space.
code.
So
you can
X.
fix.
Shift pasted from clipboard.
And then, boop, it does that.
Enter.
And the music stopped.
Tasks app dot obs 261 0 left
My
parenthesis.
stream
obs
still
26.
going? Yes. Stop stream. Yeah, it's going. It's going. I'm gonna be so pissed off if I get
Google Gemini.
done with this stream and you couldn't hear me the whole time or other shit like that. I'm gonna be pretty mad.
Music FX dash labs. Music due to high demand. Your session was paused after 10 minutes of inactivity. Resume. Push button.
Cringe. I
Play
was
on
listening
music
to music, okay. What the hell is wrong
low.
with it?
Delete volume under cowbell. Funk. Volume under delete. Music.
Funk.
Delete. Music.
Actually,
Delete. Music. Delete.
shut up. Let's do
A-R-D-B-A-S-S.
hard bass.
Delete. Play up. Restart under.
Oh wait, hold on.
Delete top selected. Misspelled hardness.
Slavic
L-A-V-I-C space S-T-Y-L-E space A-R-D-B-A-S-S.
bass.
Delete. Enter. Play underline arrow. Pause. Restart underline alt. Play underline
Hush.
arrow. Play. By
Poggers.
authentic. Music.
All right.
Of course, you've made some excellent observations. The game needs a clear, persistent way to see your inventory, and it's important to be sure the narrator is working as intended.
Yes.
I've updated the code to address your points: local MP3s confirm local M function with folder before playing them. The function was already correctly creating and saving. Folder before playing them. This is the correct and most efficient way to do it, so I haven't changed that logic. You can look in the folder after playing and see the files yourself. Folder before playing them. Narrator
Yeah,
from
but then
folder, new inventory UI code added
whatever.
on the detailed financials code for each beverage. This new panel now clearly shows: the current, stock, the you sell it for, you pay per unit, quota, you sell it for, price, the profit you make on each sale. This makes it much easier to plan your purchases and see how your business is doing at a glance. Here is the updated and fixed code color.
Okay.
Here-
Cool. Alrighty.
Selected. Copy selection to clipboard. Obs 2.
No.
Google. App.py-Visual Studio
There
Code
we
dash 2
go.
problems in this file.
Paste.
Pasted from clipboard.
Awesome. How many are we up to? It went down? How did it go down?
Control S.
Whatever. We'll see if it works or not.
Python app.enter. Terminal 2.
Welcome to the digital
Google
draft.
dismiss the digital Google
You've
Gemini dash Google
inherited
the
a
digital
small
draft.
bar.
The digital
Good
draft.
luck.
The digital draft. Window.
Okay, nice. So we've got type here, bar, stock 20, cost, beer, sorry, I can't read. Beer, stock 20, cost $2, price $5, $3 profit. I did the math. Wine, stock 20, cost $5, price $10, $5 profit. Spirits, oh, okay. 8, 15, 9, nope, 6, 7. Never mind. I can't do math. That's okay. Well, then how do we know who to hire? Huh? Alright, well, that's the next thing. This works. Let's do a buy command.
B. U.
Buy
Space. I. N. E. Space.
wine
5.
5.
Enter.
And it doesn't talk to me. Bought 5 units of wine for $25. Cool. Well, that works.
Alt F4. App dot. Main. Copy selection to clipboard.
Selection to clipboard. Well, actually, no, because we need to So there's an easy way to fix
Control
this.
O. File name
I'll
code.
show
Open.
you.
Damian Smith. Split button.
And some of you may think this is pretty big brain.
Skull 3D objects. AI non-AI Genesis game. AI poem general position. From. Page down. Items. Copus Casino Suite. Code Brokers game. Edit.
Code brokers.
Explorer pane. Item. Code Broker Casinos Code Brokers game.
Come on.
List of nuts. Items.
Open.
Control name. Desktop position. Narration underline ones. App.py. App.py dash
Yes.
Visual Studio Code dash 2
And
problems in this
then
file. App.py dash Visual Studio
we're
Code dash
in-
2 problems in this file page. Main region. App.py. Editor. Blank. Type in text.
Board.
Copies.
Come on. Copy selection and clipboard. Let's hear it. Oh. POV bad
Copy selection to
computer.
clipboard.
Okay.
To move to an item. You make on each sale.
Okay.
Enter.
I want
Space. Low.
you
Space.
to
space. space.
analyze
Space. Space.
how
Space.
narrator
Space. Space.
and
H.
yeah, we'll do that too. Hiring function.
Work in this code.
I'd like you to implement the digital draft code
D space.
so I can hear things and hire staff.
Space. Left paren. I.
I
Period.
agree.
Period. Space. BARTNDER.
Bartender.
Comma space. Space. Comma. Comma space. NAGR.
Manager.
Right paren.
Yes.
Space.
There should also be changing demand for each beverage.
Space space
or decreasing price.
Period space P
Please also add some basic bar food
space
to sell,
space
like pretzels.
space
Dude, pretzels at bars go so hard.
Space.
Like that's some
Comma, space.
that's some good shit right there. I like that. Pretzels, yeah,
BURGER
burger.
comma space
Oh, dude, yeah.
RUBEN
Reuben.
period space
You gotta have a Reuben, dude. That stuff rocks.
shift enter
Shift enter.
A,
Here
S,
is
O, P,
code
S,
for
O,
you
space, space.
to
ALYZE
analyze.
space shift pasted from clipboard
Paste.
enter
Ooh, it did not like that. Oops. It's gonna send the message. I'm gonna have to cancel it. That's cringe.
Google
After
Gemini dash
it.
Google Chrome
Oh. Google
Google
Gem.
Gem the digital draft Gemini replied
Oh no, there it
reviewing game
goes.
mod I want you to analyze how the narrator and hiring functions work in this code. I'd like you to implement it into the
Yeah, no, it didn't.
Stop response.
Stop.
send self
Scroll all the way up. Come on.
self import pygame import py
Oh, lame.
shift enter import I want you to analyze
I really wish I
want
could
you to
expand these. I don't want to have to
I want you
type
to
all
anal-
that out again.
AI memory implementation review
Whatever.
Please
See this code to see how hiring staff
spell
like bartenders,
conspace KTCEN
kitchen staff,
RFF conspace and
and
space
managers should
okay
work
space and space
and also these add food like pretzels,
conspace UBEN conspace and space B URGR space
With alcohol.
period space
Okay. That should be good.
Gemini music shift volume under delete
It spoke.
Delete.
Anyways,
PLAYPAONK. Space
style.
STUYTTYFE space PHONK. Enter. Play. Zoom colon 90 music FX dash labs. Pause for restart. Music play underline arrow play. Zoom colon 100%. Of course.
Okay.
Of course. Focusing on its narrator and hiring mechanics. Here are the key upgrades I've made to the Expand Burgers. The underlying code now treats all sellable products as generic quote items. Quote, making it easy to add more in the future. Burgers. And Rubens to your menu. The underlying code now treats all sellable products as generic quote items.
Okay.
I've added dynamic demand and pricing. The market is now live. At the start of each day, the demand for items will randomly fluctuate. Direct the high meaningful staff roles. The hiring system is no longer just cosmetic. You can now specifically hire a. The hiring system is no longer bartender. Manager. Bartenders.
Okay.
Bartenders are experts in customer service and will boost your daily
Customers.
reputation gains.
Cool.
Managers have a keen eye for business and will reduce your daily wage expenses.
Awesome.
Enhanced narrator events. The narrator is more involved, providing audio feedback when you run out, when prices change, and when you run out of stuff. The narrator is the fully updated and playable code.
Oh shit. Oh, I almost sneezed. It was awful.
Selected. Feed selection.
Oh. That feeling when you gotta sneeze, but I won't let you. Oh. Anyways, here's the. Yeah, we're getting this done. It's gonna lag. It's gonna be real mad, but we got it. Cool. Over 300.
Control S.
Control S.
Terminal 2. Python app. Enter.
Welcome
Draft
to the
2025.
digital draft. You've
Google Gemini
inherited
with
a
the digital
small
draft.
bar. Good luck.
Okay.
The digital draft window.
What is that? Oh, that's code.
The digital draft window.
Spirits 2015. Well, all that's the same, but there's no way to view who I should hire or how I should hire them. Yeah, hold on. Let's see if it did actually.
HELP. Enter.
No, it didn't. Commands by item quantity, hire, name, role. Oh, what is that? Next day. Oh, I see. It doesn't have wrapping. So we need to.
Flow. App.py-visual. Terminal 2. PowerShell. Group 2. Enter. Y O U S N E E D S A D S S A I O I S A O A space O space J space U I Cont space S E space O space S space O space I S space O D S B O O O K R S comma space A space space N S C O L L space T A O U G space T E space I J space R D E space O space F E I M P O T A T space D A T A space L I P space P O P E space A V A I L A B L E space F O space I space N T space A O space S O S A M Y space T A M
Team. So we'll call it payroll because then it'll just
P A Y
payroll.
L L comma space.
Also,
T
there
E space I space O
is
space
no
O E X
text.
space W R A A R double
Will
space
help
F
if I
E
spell
R
text right.
T X T
Text
space W R A P P I N G comma space.
Yeah. Okay.
A
Also,
F
food
space
is
N O
not
space I S
in
space
the
U I
UI
space E T S space F O space A S Y space T E R A C K I S O S space F O K K C K space F P I C F period space H E E space I space U R E N T space O D E colon shift enter pasted from clipboard.
Paste.
Edit type in
We let it load that time.
enter
Okay, cool.
address music FX dash labs
I'm
live strip
curious.
bookmark deep thumb stop live play live set public
Are there people actually? No. Alright, that's fine. This is for like journalists and stuff anyway. Or people in general that just want to see like, David, how did you make all of the stuff you made in like 2 weeks? Well, this is how, nerd.
Google Gemini. Here are the key changes. Of course, I've analyzed your requests and provided code examples to overhaul the UI and add the features you're looking for. The game is now. Here are the key changes. Scrollable side panel colon.
Cool.
Comprehensive staff. The new scrollable panel. Comprehensive staff UI colon. The new scrollable panel now includes 2 new. My staff colon. Their roles. Available roles colon. Shows the different staff positions you can hire for left per any. Corrected food inventory display. The bug that was preventing food items from appearing in the UI has been fixed.
Oh, okay, there's a bug.
Text wrapping for game log. The main message log on the left now properly wraps long log. The game now provides all the critical information.
Cool. All right,
Code
that should
selected.
be
Copy
good.
selection. App doc.
And-
High dash visuals.
Paste.
Pasted from clipboard.
And we went up, which is good.
Control S.
You gotta monitor it, otherwise it'll
Terminal.
just forget and
Line.
delete a bunch of code.
Python app doc. Enter. Terminal.
Welcome to the digital
Google's to the
draft.
digital draft.
You've inherited a small bar. Good luck.
Well, this doesn't tell me anything.
The digital draft.
Why does it not? Interesting. Well, it still doesn't. So
Search
this
box
is when we
edit.
bust
Snipping
out
to enter.
the
Snipping
snipping
new
tool,
button.
and we go like so,
Copied selection to clipboard. Alt F4. The digital draft.
like that.
Alt F4. App doc.
And
Google.
then
The
we
bug text.
come back here.
Close
We get
panel.
rid
Push
of
button.
this
Close. Google.
stupid right-hand panel.
The bug show more.
Okay. Still doesn't show in the UI. I want you to use the way it's done in the
N comma space.
Yeah, narration.
T
The
U
UI,
I comma space E V O K I N G period. Space A E
Here
space
is
S S C
a
R E E N F A O T
screenshot
space. O F space
of
A O
how
space O space
it
L O O K
looks
S space N O W.
now. Oh, we didn't test the wrapping.
Period. Pasted from clipboard.
Pasted. And
Shift
then
enter. A E
here
space space
is
R E F
current
space C O D E
code
L space D I G I T A L space D R A F T colon. Shift enter. App doc.
Copy,
Copied selection to copied selection. Google Gemini 2. Pasted from clip.
paste,
AI persona chatbot. Still dosage.
and then you gotta wait for it. There we go.
Enter.
Enter. Yeah.
Gemini
What
reply.
time is it? Has it been an hour? Bro. Dude, I'm live on my channel. It says so in my email. Whatever, nerd. Yeah. You're absolute. Oh, of course I'm absolutely right. You can't win me over with honeyed words. You gotta wait for it to finish, and then we can wrap this up.
You are absolutely right to point that out. My apologies. The previous versions did not correctly implement the UI structure from code broker that you wanted. I understand the frustration when the code doesn't match the vision. Quote, I have now gone back and completely refactored. Quote, the digital draft, quote. Same powerful UI, drawing logic, and threaded narration system from the code broker game you provided. This is with key changes,
Cool.
same powerful key changes ported from professional UI layout colon. The narrator now runs threaded, not the narrator now runs in a separate thread. The game will no longer freeze while the audio is playing. This is the same robot. Complete
Cool.
information HUD the scrollable right dash hand panel. The game's your main stats left.
Okay.
New command system. The command input is now at the bottom of the screen, and I've adopted up. Command to move the simulation forward, just like in code broker quote.
Advanced Day. Okay.
This new
Because I remember what it was with Code Brokers. That game rocks. That's on my website.
This new version should look and feel exactly like the polished example.
Cool.
Selected. In copied selection to clipboard.
Yeah, because before I went blind, I absolutely loved business management simulation games. I was actually in DECA, Distributive Educational Clubs of America, and I went to the state business competitions
Pasted from clipboard.
where, well, rip. Anyway, yeah, I went to state business
File Explorer.
competitions, and I did pretty good in marketing, but I was really stoked
Python
on
Python app.py.
they had like simulation games for retail, and I played one of those, and it was fun.
Enter.
Welcome to the digital draft.
Steam, the digital draft.
You've
List item.
inherited a small bar. Good luck.
Brother, I did not change it at all. Oh, am I being
Close.
silly?
Button. Turn-
I'm being silly. Hold on.
Main region. Control Shift
Control-Shift-S.
S. Desk items view app.py.
App.py.
Items. Save.
Save. Watch.
Yes,
I bet.
button.
I'd bet money this fixes it because I do it. I do it sometimes.
Terminal 2. Python app enter.
Welcome
Terminal
to
two.
the
Google
digital
to the digital
draft.
draft.
You've
digital draft. To
inherited
move
a
to
small
press-
bar.
No.
Good luck.
It's just broken. Yeah. Why is it broken though?
Close. Button. Search box edit. Type in text.
Let's see here.
Escape.
We're gonna go
Control O.
back
Caret
to.
O. Main.
Oh, did I
Control
do
O. Open
the?
file. Open file. Address code brokers game. Menu name.
Oh, I
Items
did.
quick disposition app.py. Edit.
Well, rest in peace, code brokers.
Name. Open
yeah.
file. Damian Smith.
I saved over it. It's gone now
AIC update.
forever. That's fine.
N. Open file. NTUSER dot N.
Don't take my
My
website
documents.
down.
NCH
Code
software
brokers
suite.
will be
NC
gone forever.
Business strategy suite. Bar manager game. List type. Explore.
Manager game.
Items view app.py. Edit. App.py.
Well, this would be why. Yeah, because. Oh my god. Well, yeah, alright.
Task switching. A quote my staff quote section. Quote feed selection to clip.
And this is the kind of stuff I do every day. Like. It. Man,
Pasted from
it
clip.
sure is funny, though. Oh my
Control
god,
F.
it's so funny.
Python enter.
And then watch, it'll work.
Dress
Oh.
left paren most recent call last right paren colon file quote c colon backslash users backslash leaving menus. Terminal 2. Python app.py. Enter.
Why does
Python
Python
app.py.
app.py
C colon
not work?
backslash users backslash trig backslash app data backslash local backslash programs backslash Python 312 backslash lib backslash site dash packages backslash pygame backslash data.py colon 25 colon user warning colon pkg underline resources is deprecated as an API. CHTTPS colon slash
okay.
slash set. Quote feed selection to
And then we come back
close panel. Push button. Open upload file menu. Push button.
and we say
THS.
this
Space
is
E R
error
space E A G
message
con space U N
turns
space O U
out
space
I
S space J
was
S
just
space P U T T I G
putting
space A
the
space O D E I S
code
T E
in
double
the
O N
wrong
space L I E space O
file,
space
so
J E S
when
I space
I
P U
put
I T space I S
it
T E
in
space
the
I G
right
space I E space T space A V D space A N space O N space P Y T A O S space P P period P Y space I space G A V space E space T I space E R R colon shift enter pasted from clipboard enter enter
lol.
Gemini reply.
You know, some people think I'm like a master of coding. Like, oh my god, he did it in 2 weeks. He made his perceptual grid engine. Brother, I am a blind guy. Like, I would move even faster if I didn't have these limitations upon me.
Type error type error.
And probably would help if I wasn't sick too.
Excellent catch. My apologies for letting that slip through. The error message. Type error colon sellable item underline in it underline under type error colon sellable item tells us exactly what's wrong. The problem colon the item underline catalog when the code tries to create a type equals quote beverage sell item underline as a key the solution item. The solution colon as a key is also not ideal because it's a reserved keyword in Python. I've
Okay.
corrected this by renaming the key in the item underline sellable. I have fixed this single issue in the code. Runnable file colon
Oh, okay.
and type error
And then it's going. Oh yeah, we gotta make sure
music
this.
FX address more delete IFLI
Let's add
GUITAR
guitar.
R blank ELECTRIC space GUITAR
Guitar.
enter. Goop type error.
It's still going. Yeah, I usually listen to funk when I make stuff. Because it's awesome. But let's wait for it to go. It's doing its thing. It shouldn't have forgotten the previous code. Because once, especially with Gemini, once you get to a certain length, it really just, it's broken. You need to start a new chat. which is why we started a new chat at the very beginning here. But I also don't know how impressive the stuff I do is. Like, the people I talk to are like, whoa! But for me, this is just like, it's a Sunday morning, you know? It's not, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense to me why people can't do this too. Like, why can't everybody do what I'm doing? It's not hard. Like, I really just do copy paste all the time. That's it. I come up with the concepts on my own. Like, the strategies and concepts and things, those are mine. I make those. But what is the problem with this thing? I think it's stuck on something. Let's see here.
Item underline.
Huh.
Self.inventory equals left brace name colon sellable item left paren name. Self.inventory file quote C colon / users self. This is error message. Type deselect canvas. Stop respawn.
Okay. We'll stop it. Because it's kind of like having a hard time
I have
right
fixed
now.
this single issue. Refining the resolution.
Oh, I think it's broken.
Control R.
Control
Ask generally
R.
edit. Blank. Type in text. Main region.
Cool.
You are absolutely right to point that out. My apologies. The previous versions did not correctly implement.
Okay.
This new Google.
Wait,
Here is
hold
the
on.
completely rewritten code colon. This new version should look and feel exactly like the polished example. You deselect canvas. Push button. E R
Error
R space T
with
space T space O
code.
T E colon E D O C M S T space O E C N T space O T E
code.
colon shift that pasted
You
from
have to
clipboard.
be very specific.
Enter.
There we go. That should fix it though. And then we
Gemini
can
replied.
continue on. It may seem boring, I'm sure, but like, I don't know. I think it's fun. I enjoy it. You know, it passes the time. I kind of chill out. I usually eat lunch around noon, which is, you know, like an hour from now.
You found a classic Python error. You found a class type error. Is happening because dictionary right paren expect. It's a subtle but critical difference. As a variable or key name is best avoided in Python throughout the code. Here are the specific changes colon. For all items. Throughout the code. Here are the selected.
I don't
selection.
know if it actually fixed
For all
it.
when this resolves the crash. App.
We'll try
Name
it though.
selected. Pasted from clipboard. Undo.
Actually, hold on. That's how you do. 331.
Pasted from clipboard.
3. Oh, well, whatever. All right,
Control S.
let's try it.
Terminal 2. Python app. Enter. See.
Welcome
Terminal
to
2.
the digital draft.
The digital
Type
draft.
help for
The
commands.
digital draft.
Digital draft.
digital draft.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yes. Food. Pretzels times 20. Yes. $1. $3. Yes. My staff. Yes. Available. Rolls. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Wage. $75. Who the hell is that? Oh, bartender. Boots. Oh, boosts. Reputation. Yes. Well, then who is there to hire? There. Huh? Hold on.
AELP. Enter.
Commands. Buy less than item
There we
greater
go.
than
Cool.
less than
So the
PTY
narrator
greater
works.
than
Alt F4.
higher less than
App. PS.
We're close. We're very close. And then we'll.
Copy selection to clipboard. Task switching. Throughout update. Run code. Close panel. Push
I
button.
hate that
Supports
button.
autocomplete. Open upload file menu. Push.
This
space T E space V A I L A B E space O E space B U space N O space P O P L E space O space space O space I E
Hire.
cost space E D O Y K I S E L E space I space P R L E C T period space A E I space U R E N T space C O D E shift and pasted from clipboard. AI persona chatbot code.
Yes.
Enter.
Very nice. And then it goes like that.
Gemini replied.
Oh. Okay. What's it doing? Hold on.
I missed the most crucial part of the.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't freeze up again. Oh, yeah, cool. It's going forward.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. My apology. I have now fully implemented the staff generation system from quote code broker quote. The game now creates a dynamic list of job applicants that refreshes each day. Here are the specific change staff generation colon. The game now automatically generate the game now unique. Each candidate is a unique staff IDs updated. The command is hire command colon. The command is now full stop hire less ID greater. Full stop. For example, to hire Alice Smith, you would type.
Oh, cool. It added that. That's nice.
Selected. Copied selection to
Yeah, because I liked that about code brokers a lot.
pasted from clipboard. App dot.
Yep, it added.
Control S.
And then
File
we
Explorer,
come
button.
back here.
Python app enter.
Python app.py.
Day 1 colon welcome to the digital draft. Type help for commands. Trace back left paren most recent call last right paren colon file quote C colon backslash users backslash trade backslash bar manager game backslash app dot py quote. Line 348. Unless module greater game underline instance equals game left paren right paren caret file quote C colon backslash users backslash trade backslash bar manager game backslash app dot py quote. Line 108. In underline init underline self dot add underline log underline event left paren quote welcome to the digital draft. Type help for commands quote right paren file quote C colon backslash use.
Interesting.
Copied selection to clipboard. Google the right this run. Google Gemini space M-S-T space E-C-N-T space C-D-E colon. Shift and pasted from clipboard. Shift enter. space U-R-E-N-T space O-D-E colon. Shift enter. Here is
And we're going to do this too, because sometimes it forgets. So we're going to copy,
copied selection to clipboard. Open tool. Pasted from clipboard.
paste.
AI memory. Google Gemini. Caret. Here is current code colon.
Yep, there it goes. And now it's
Enter.
ready.
Gemini replied.
Oh man, that feeling of wanting to sneeze but can't.
That's an excellent catch, and my apologies for that typo. The traceback is pointing to a simple but critical variable name mismatch. You are correct. The attribute error colon game object has no in a few narration underline enabled. In a few places when the correct attribute name defined in the I have corrected this typo. I've applied this full stop. The game should now launch. Here is the corrected code colon. I've applied this simple fix by renaming the incorrect variable to narrator underline enabled. Full stop. The game should now launch and run
Cool. All right.
Selected. Copied select app.py.
And then we double check. 350.
Pasted from clipboard.
Paste. 349. So yes.
Control S.
Control S.
Python app. Enter. Terminal 2. Python use alt plus F1
Welcome
for
to the digital draft.
Very
Type
nice.
help for commands.
Okay. Available for hire. Ava. Role manager. Yes. Role bartender. Yes. Role bartender. Yes. And then it's got the poggers.
the digital draft window.
Nobo. Sorry. And then we come here.
HELP. Enter.
Help.
Commands. Buy less than item greater than less than QTY greater than. Hire less than id greater than. Advance day. Quit.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll want to hire a bartender. So we will do this person here.
H-I-E
Hire. It's Liam.
L-I-T-A.
L-I-T-A.
Enter.
Hired Liam Taylor as a bartender for a daily wage of $75.
Excellent. And then we should be able to
A-D-V-A-S-E space
advance
Y.
day.
Enter.
Day 2 begins. Interest in beer is waning. Demand for wine is surging.
Oh, burger. Yeah, someone bought the burger. Someone bought burger. People bought alcohol. We had 1,000 starting, but hold on, where is it? Funds.
The digital draft. Window.
9/11. Reputation 62. Okay. Well, why would I want to hire a manager? Actually, I bet you money.
H-I-D space. H.
H-E-W-H.
Enter.
Hired Heidi White as a bartender for a daily wage of $75.
Okay.
A-S-E space. D-Y. Enter.
Day 3 begins. Demand for beer is surging. Demand for wine is surging.
Huh? Oh, beer. Yes. Yes. But it only takes one. And burger. People are eating burgers, but nobody's eating the Reuben or the pretzels. Where's. Oh, no. Heidi White. Yes and yes. Funds. Still losing money.
A-D-V-A-S-E space. D-Y. Enter.
Day 4 begins.
Day 4 begins.
Interest in beer
Interest
is
in
waning.
beer is waning.
Demand for pretzels is
Demand for
surging.
Pretzels. Oh, and people are eating the pretzels. Nice. But it's not nearly enough. We should add marketing. Yeah.
Alt F4. App dot PyDeck. Terminal 2. Power. Quapid selection to clip. Quapid select. Google Gemini.
Okay. I think that's
Close
the
panel.
fix for it.
Goop deselect.
Please
Space. A-L-O
also
space. A-D
add
space.
a
A-R-K-E-T-I-N-T space. F-E-A-T-U-E.
feature.
Comp space. O-M-A-N-D space. H-O-U-L-T space. B space. Quote.
Quote.
A-R-K-E-T
Market.
space. Comma.
No.
Comma. Left paren.
Whatever. Left paren.
Dollar. Space. A-M. O. O.
Amount spelled with two
M-O-U-N-T.
N's.
Right paren. Space.
No, it's not.
Please also add a marketing feature. Misspelled M. Right paren. Right paren. Space. Left paren. D-A-Y-S.
Days.
Right paren. Space. Shift enter. T-H-S
This
space. O-M. M-A-N-T space. A-N-T space. F-E-A-T-U-E space. H-O-U-L-T space. B-O-S-T space. A space. N-E space.
New
O-U-T
counter
space. T-A-T-I-S-C-B-A-S-E space. R-T space. B-P-U-A-A-T-A-I-O-S space. A-N-T space. A-R-K-E-T-I-N-G space. L-E-D space. Quote. D-I-L space.
Daily
U-S-O-N-R-S.
customers.
Quote. Space.
Yes. And okay.
A-R-T-N-D-E-R-S
Bartenders.
space. A-N-T space. A-A-G-E-R-S space. A-P space. M-A-N-T space. O-A-E-L-P space. A-A-G space. T-A-E space. I-S-C-O-A-F-E-T space. U-P-P-L-O-S space. U-S-T-O-N-R-S space.
Yeah. And
A-E-O space. A-O-U-L-T space. A-L-O
also
space. B space. Space.
be
O-E-S-T-O-K space. O-P-T-I-O-N space. F-U space.
such
A-S space.
as,
Quote.
quote,
E-S-T-O-K space. L-O-A-O-L space. To 0. Quote. Space. T-A space. L-O-W-S space. T-E space. E-S-O-K-I-N space. S-A-L
all
T-M-S space.
items. Of all items. Yeah. Of all items.
A-T space. Space.
Add a
S-E-T
set
space. N N M N U M B all space U H space A S space 20
20.
space Q A N T T Y period space shift enter
Yeah.
A E E
Where
space
is
U R E N
our
space D E
code?
colon shift pasted from clipboard
Yeah, that should be good.
AI memory implement your Damian
Add to the game there.
enter
Nice. Cool. Oh, the music stopped again.
your session has been paused dialog at your session resume music FX delete push button delete push button delete IF
Let's do just kind of a
L O I
lo-fi
space H I L L space
chill
B A T
beat.
enter autos play underline arrow play audio pause restart underline play underline arrow play
Nice. Okay.
address and search
Okay. We are approaching the hour-and-a-half mark. But I think we're almost done. Because, yeah, the features is like the biggest part of the game. Like, it actually has to be fun, you know? But yeah, cool.
of course those are excellent ideas that add more strategic depth to the game here's a breakdown of the new features new quote marketing quote system you can now launch advertising campaigns using the command market less daily underline spend greater less days greater
Cool.
spends $100 per day for 5 days left per rank market 105 spends $100 per day for 5 days left per rank total cost $500 deducted up front right per N every $50 spent per day ads
Every
to your quote
dollar.
customer boost quote
Ooh, really?
every
Hold on.
$50 spent per day ads to your quote customer boost quote
+1. Cool.
function update function now processes these campaigns increasing the number of customers who visit each day while the campaign is active update up function now processes these campaigns increasing the number of customers who visit each day while the campaign is active quote daily customers quote UI colon the right dash hand panel now shows your quote estate daily customer the right dash hand panel now and quote
Okay.
active and quote active campaigns quote section has been quote active campaigns quote you can now quick new quote restock quote command colon you can now quickly restock entire categories of items using restock less category greater less quantity greater full restock food 50 valid commands are restock beverage 20 restock food 15 full stop the game calculates the total cost for all items in the category and if full stop I've updated up command here is the updated good response bad response
Cool.
command
All right.
selected feed select app.py dash visual studio code dash 2 problems in this file
Oh
Blank.
my god, it's gonna freeze again. I'm amazed my computer can even handle OBS. Still. I bought this thing when I was 17 years old, like 5 or 6 years ago.
pasted from clipboard
Oh wow, that added a lot
Control
of
S
code.
Control S Control
Okay.
Python app enter
Welcome to
Auto
the
the digital
digital
dismiss tab digital
draft.
draft
Type the help for commands.
Yes. My staff. Oh. Okay. Okay. Active campaigns. Okay. Funds 1,000. Reputation 50. S daily customers 5. So what happens if we don't hire a bartender and instead do? Oh,
A
hold
B
on.
L P
Help.
enter
Commands. Buy less than item greater than less than QTY greater than. Restock less than
MARKT.
cat greater than less than QTY greater than. Hire less than id greater than. Market less than AMT greater than less than days greater
Space.
than. Advanced day. Quit.
We'll do. I don't know, cause like. Huh. Well, you know what? Balls to
200
the walls. Let's do
space.
it.
5 enter
Started a 5-day marketing campaign for $1,000. Expect approximately 4 extra customers daily.
$0.
A D V A S E enter
Unknown command. Advance.
Oh, right.
A D V A S E space A Y enter
Day 2 begins. Demand for wine is surging.
I got $110. Wow. Why do I only have 6? As daily buzz before. MK, yeah, market. Campaigns, the +4 customers, 4 days left. Beer, or no, beverage inventory, 18, 20, 18, 18, 19, 16. Wow, okay. Cool. All right, let's continue.
ADVASE space. JY, enter.
Day 3 begins. Interest in beer is waning.
Okay. But now we've got $207. And why is it not giving me all of them all at once? Because that's fine. That's fine too. Okay.
ADVASE space. JY, enter.
Day 4 begins. Demand for beer is surging. Demand for wine is surging.
I really just want to see what happens at the end of the marketing campaign.
ADVASE space. JY, enter.
Day 5 begins.
Advanced day. We've got a bit of money now. Reputation is at 91. +4. 1 day left. 11, 12, 15. Okay, 15, 13, 13. So maybe we should do
CK space. ALCOHOL space. 20, enter.
Invalid category. Use beverage or
Oh,
food.
okay.
RESTOCK space 20, enter.
Restocked all beverages by 20 units for $300.
Oh my god. Okay. Advanced.
Y, enter.
Day 6 begins. Interest in pretzels is waning. Demand for burger is surging.
Yeah, but we only have 4, and it said 50, so the math's wrong.
Alt F4, terminal 2, terminal. Feed selection to clipboard. To move to an item, press the arrow.
Okay.
Close panel. E D R Y T I H space R S space G E A T space B U T space A space A E T I H space S space O N G period space O space D D space S space $2 space
$200
A M A C P O space A Y space M P A I G N space O space 5 space D Y S space A N T O N L space O T space 4 space C S O E R S comma space low U space A I space $0
50
space O U F space G T space 1 space C U S O E R space B U T space I space O N L space O T space 4 period space A L O
Also,
space U S O N R space R E M O T S U C A I L Y space U S O N R S space A O U T space L L O space I S C O E A S E space dot H space O E P U T H I O N period space Shift enter. A E
Here
I space
is
U O E N T
current
space O D E
code.
colon. Shift enter. Pasted from clipboard.
Paste.
Everything worked. Everything works great, but the marketing is wrong. I did $200 per day campaign for edit. Enter.
There we go.
Enter.
Cool.
Gemini is typing. Live streaming dash YouTube address. Public concurrent viewer. The stream 0.
Anybody come and watch
Concurrent
me?
viewers. Chat rate views. Average view duration.
Lol, 0, but that's fine. This one's for the journalists and stuff, so I highly doubt they'll sit through like probably 2 hour once I'm done stream, but yeah, whatever. Cool. It's nice though, like honestly I really do enjoy this quite a lot. It's relaxed. You sit and you enjoy your time.
You've made a sharp observation. Mark, you've made a sharp observation. And my apologies for that oversight in the game's balancing. I have now corrected the underlying math to address both of your corrected marketing and custom. You were right that a $1 to you were right that a $200 campaign should yield a clear +4 customer boost. 4 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 cu Random dot random left paren -2. 2 variance was too high, which could muddy the results and make your marketing feel ineffective. I have adjusted the customer calculation variance was too high, which could muddy the results and make your marketing feel ineffective. I have adjusted the customer calculation formula. The random factor is now smaller left paren. Right paren 2 -1. Right paren, so the results are more predictable and the impact of your marketing spend is much clearer. Reputation now drives customers :
Okay, cool. I think it's done. Awesome.
Code app selected. Copy select. Task. App dot. Pasted from clipboard.
Nice.
Control app. Control app. File
Now-
Explorer. But Python app. Enter.
Python app.py.
Welcome
2000.
to the digital
app. Google
draft.
to digital draft.
Type help
Digital
for
draft.
commands.
Cool. And now we've got 6 current daily customers. So
The
we're
digital
gonna do
ARKET space.
market
200 space.
200.
5.
Five.
Enter.
Started a 5-day marketing campaign for $1,000. Expect approximately 4 extra customers
space.
daily.
Enter.
Day 2 begins.
So we were at
Interest
6.
in beer is waning.
But now-
Interest
oh
in
my
burger
God.
is waning.
But now we're at 7. So why does it not plus 4 customers? Whatever. We'll do another. Oh wait, hold on. Is that? Yes. Okay.
The digital draft V. Y. Enter.
Day 3 begins. Demand for pretzels is surging.
And then it goes. Oh yeah, and then it goes to 9. So it went from 7 to 9, which that's pretty good.
Y. Enter.
Day 4
stay.
begins.
But now we only have 10. Why?
Space. Y. Enter.
Day 5 begins. Interest in wine is waning. Demand for
12,
pretzels
okay.
is surging.
Because it's 200 a day for 5 days. Well, you get 4. We'd be getting hella customers, but we are not getting hella customers. But we do have $400. But now, ouch, we are running low. We need to buy more beverages. 10, 14. Yeah. So we need to
O E S T O
restock
space B V R A G S
beverages.
space
Beverage
9
10.
dash
Not doing
0.
20 this time.
Enter.
Restocked all beverages by 10 units for $150.
Cool. How much is food? I'm gonna make sure I don't bankrupt myself. Pretzels are $1. Burgers are $5, $6. It costs another $6, 12. So if we do 10, that's like 120.
O E S T O C K space F O O D space 10. Enter.
Restocked all foods by 10 units for $120.
Cool. All right, and then it's 1 day left.
A D V A S E space D Y. Enter.
Day 6 begins. Interest in pretzels is waning. Interest in Reuben is waning.
Okay. And now we only have 12.
Search box edit. Type in text. N. Snipping tool. Enter. Snipping. Snoo button.
Copy.
Snip. Copy selection to clip. Alt F4. Alt F4. Alt F4. App. You've made it. Your variance was. Enter. Open upload file menu. I T space S I L space D E N T space I V space O I G H N U M E R S comma space 200 dollar space A O U F T space I V space 4 space U S O M R S comma space V V L O V O space 5 space A Y S space T A space I space dollar 1000 space
$1,000.
I space
I
A O U F T
should
space G E T
get-
space
Hold on. 4 for 200. 20.
990 space C S T O M R S space B U space I space O N L space G O T space 5 6 period. It very. It still it's you were right. It still does deselect pasted from clipboard. It still does
Paste.
it still does enter a prompt here. Shift enter. H E R E space I space U R R E N T space C O T E colon. Shift enter. Term. Main.
Copy.
Copy
on.
selection to clip.
Copy to
It's-
clipboard.
Open upload file menu. Paste it from clip.
Paste from clipboard. Yes, and then we can put in the bottom here too.
P E A S E space A L O space F L L space O N space E P U T A T I O N space G A I S space L I G A T L Y.
Slightly.
Enter.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty
Gemini
good.
replied.
The music stopped again.
Your session address. Your session resume. Music effect low. Play underline arrow.
Oh, my dog. He's barking downstairs. I have a little Shih Tzu. He's my friend. His name's Bo. Oh, man. But I feel the life get sucked out of me as I sit here and code. I'm having a great time, but by the time I'm done, I'm just gonna collapse in a pile on my bed and go to sleep.
Reviewing customer generation.
Cool. Yeah, because it needs to. Review customer generation. Because it's wrong.
And you are absolutely right. The marketing you've spotted a critical bug in the games, and you are absolutely right. The marketing campaigns were not providing the correct number of customers. Thank you for flagging this semicolon. It's exactly the kind of feedback that improves the game. I have now fixed the underlying code in the canvas to address the key fixes and adjustments. Corrected marketing log. The primary bug was in how the game processed the list of active marketing campaigns each day. Ensuring your marketing dollars now translate directly and correctly into new customers every single day a campaign is active. I have adjusted the base gain from survey. I have it now making ensuring your marketing dollars now translate balance reputation gain colon. I have adjusted the formula to slow it down slightly. The base gain now provides a significant, but hiring up. I have adjusted the formula to slow it down slightly. I have the base gain from serving customers is more moderate. Now provides a significant, but hiring up. Now bartender now provides a significant, making them a more strategic and valuable and more predictable.
Okay.
Make and more strategic. These more predictable. Here is the fully updated and more.
Good. Very good. And then we'll wait for this to finish. And then the game might actually be done. We'll see.
Selected. Copy selection to.
Oh, it's frozen.
Pasted from clipboard.
Yes.
Control S.
Control S.
Terminal. Main region. App.py. Editor. Blank. Type. File Explorer. Button. Terminal 2. PowerShell use Alt plus Enter.
Welcome to the digital
Steam.
draft.
Dismiss
Type
YouTube
help
Music.
for
Google Gemini
commands.
cards 2610
What?
app.py visuals. The digital draft.
Oh, okay. Nice. So now we should
The
do
digital draft.
market.
200 space 5. Enter.
Started a 5-day marketing campaign for $1,000. Expect approximately 4 extra customers daily.
4 extra customers daily. Plus 4. Yes, and then we do
VASE space DY. Enter.
Day 2 begins.
day 2.
Interest in Ruben is waning.
Oh my god, dude. It doesn't. Does it like build up? Why doesn't it work? I don't know. Trying to think of how to fix it. So that's a good idea.
Alt F4. Terminal 2. Terminal. Main. Copy selection to clipboard.
I'm gonna do a pro gamer move.
Google Gemini. New chat. Google Gemini. Main. New chat. Push. New chat. Google. New chat. Make my own. Enter a prompt here. Enter a prompt. I space B space O U space O space F I X space A I S space G A N E S space A R K T I X space E C A N I S Fury space A E S I space O space A space $29900 space Sam P A I G N space space N G I A P M A C P O space D A Y space Sam P A I G N space O space 5 space D A Y space F O A space T L space S space $1 1999900 space off space
It
DESN
does
space
not
I space E space 20
20
space E space USOER space OV space 4 space 5 space DYS space ISTA space ONL space GIV space E space 4 Furious space TAE space CST space O space ONE space CSOE space BIN space CQOE D space D space A D D E D space O space DAIL space USTOER space I space $50 space
50
O space I space A O U T space B space G T T I G space 20 space USOERS period. Shift enter. Pasted from clipboard. I need you to tools push.
Okay. This is a pro gamer move, by the way.
Enter. Gemini replied.
Cool. There it goes.
Verifying the logic. Push button. Understanding the misconception. Analyzing user's expectation.
Okay.
Reviewing user misinterpretation. Push button. Reviewing user misinterpretation. Push button. Analyzing user's expectation. Push button.
Okay.
Reviewing user expectation. Reviewing user expectation. Push button. Addressing the user's expectation.
Brother, I just want you to change it and make it work properly.
Adapting to user expectations. Push button. Updating campaign logic. Adjusting for campaign clarity. Push button. Adapting campaign metrics.
Okay. Because I am in the right tab, right? Oh my god, it's going to freeze again. Yeah, I am in the correct area.
Google, the issue in your game's marketing mechanic is a subtle but significant logic flaw that causes your marketing dollars to be wasted. The original code uses integer division left paren. Use the full stop. For example, of leftover $40 of leftover marketing spend would be discarded every single day, leading to wasted money and fewer customers than you paid for. The fix is to implement a quote progress quote system that tracks marketing spending across days, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. This new system correctly calculates the total customers you should receive based on your total budget.
Cool.
Method that displays active can self.marketing underline Python. Method that finally up function. Right. With the replace that entire.
Oh, okay. Well,
Your
hold on.
DNM tools. Push button. Google
Tools,
guided canvas. Push button.
Canvas.
Enter.
Because that's really hard for me. When it just gives me the snippets, since the code is like 400 lines, it's going to take me forever to find where it wants me to paste it. So I just have it send me the full code every time.
September. Constructing the solution of corrected code for your game with the updated marketing mechanic.
Excellent. Yeah, the new chat should fix it. Because the old ones, they get stuck up on their old ways and they need kind of a refresh. It's kind of like when you're talking to someone in real life and they're kind of like hung up on something. You got to like change the subject or let them sit for a while, go to a different person. Then you can come back later.
Of course.
Everything's fine.
Selected. Feed selection.
But we got to make sure it doesn't delete most of my code.
App.py.
Okay, we've got 428.
Pasted from clipboard.
Or no, 420. Sorry, that's just 0. 400. Okay, yeah.
Control S. Terminal 2. Python app enter.
Welcome to the digital draft.
Google app.py visuals Google Gemini Ops to the digital draft.
Nice.
The digital draft window.
Okay, now we should be able to
The digital RKET
mark
space
it.
200 space 5 enter.
Started a 5-day marketing campaign for $1,000. Expect a total of approximately 20 new customers.
Oh, excellent. Okay. And now, advanced day.
Enter.
Day 2 begins.
Day 2 begins.
Interest in beer is waning. Interest in
Now we only
wine
have
is waning.
4. Well, then how does it... Oh my god.
DAY. Enter.
Day 3 begins. Interest in beer is waning.
I imagine...
Demand for pretzels is surging.
Am I making money? Not really. 17, 18, 17. Okay.
DAY. Enter.
Day 4 begins.
Well, now we have 10. That's nice.
DAY. Enter.
Day 5 begins. Interest in spirits is waning.
Yeah, now it's up to 12, which is nice. But then there's only 1 day left. So let's do...
DAY. Enter.
Day 6 begins. Interest in beer is waning.
We've got $500.
Demand for pretzels is surging.
But we only have 12.
Demand for burger is surging.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Search box S. Snipping tool. Enter. Snipping tool. Snip new. But
So, we're gonna
snip
screenshot
copy
it.
selection to clipboard. Alt F4. Alt F4.
Go away.
Alt F4. App. Google. Show X.
I wonder if it's just struggling to do
Google
that
Gemini.
feature. So, let's go.
OKY. Con spell ET space
Let's
O D O
redo
space A space A O K E T I N G space M P A I G N. Pure space. I N S T A
Instead
O space D O I N G space A space M P A I G N space O V O space D A Y S space I T I L S O N L space B space O N E space D A Y. Pure space. T A E space O M M A N D S space S space A O U T space B space A O E T space A M O U N T space space pure space O T A H space A Y space S space space D O space dollar 1000 space O space A O U T space G T space 29 space space 90 space S O E O S space T A space E X space D A Y period space P L E A S E space space E S A E L P.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Pasted from
And now we come back.
copied selection to clip.
Copied.
Open upload file menu. Okay, let's read.
Because I want to wrap this up. I could sit here all day
Pasted from-
and try to fix this. But I want to go eat lunch and stuff. Because it's already almost 12.
Game. Enter.
So we're going to have it do that.
Gemini replied.
Cool. But yeah. Oh, the music stopped again.
Your session has been. You're due to high demand. Due to high resume. Music at guitar. Low feature. Delete. Push button. Delete. High.
Actually, I kind of like the Lo-Fi beat.
U P B E A T space L O L I. Enter. More. Restart underline. Play underline arrow. Play audio. Pause.
Yeah, this is Music FX.
Music
though.
FX.
They are pretty great.
Arrow underline drop underline down. Of course. That's a great way to simplify the mechanic and make it more immediate. I've changed the marketing system to a single dash day spend for a next dash day customer boost.
Yes.
Updated the command to market less amount greater, and adjusted the UI to reflect this simpler approach.
Nice. Okay. That should fix it. Because I imagine there's probably just some limitations with the single file method that it just doesn't like that campaigns thing very much.
App.py Visual Studio Code 2 problems in this file, blank. Pasted from clipboard.
Oh dear. Oh, well, it got rid of it, so I suppose it makes
Control
sense.
S, Control S. Main region, app.py, editor.
It always does this every time. Come on.
Terminal. Enter.
Welcome to the
Dismiss
digital
task switching with
draft.
app.py to Google
Type
Gemini dash
help
dismiss
for
the digital
commands.
draft.
Okay. And then... Nice. Okay, it was my daily customers. 650, 1,000. So what if I did do
M-A-R-K-E-T space.
Market. Because this should give me 4.
200.
200.
Spend $200 on a marketing blitz. Expect approximately 4 extra customers tomorrow.
Okay. Yep, and then we do
A-S-E space. A-Y.
Day.
Enter.
Day 2 begins. Demand for pretzels is surging.
but we only have, oh my god, we only have 7. Why is it not able to do this? I mean, I guess it is pretty realistic. I've spent money on marketing before, and to get like 4 would be obscene.
The digital A-R-K-E-T space. 50. Enter.
Spend $50 on a marketing blitz. Expect approximately 1 extra customers tomorrow.
I'm streaming right now. Go away. Thank you. I'll be there. Sorry. I'm busy right now, dude. This is important. Oh, yeah. I did all of this stuff from... Yeah, I live at home. Since I went blind, it's been really hard to get work. So, you know, I'm not really able to sustain myself. So, I chill out here.
A-D-V-A-S-E space. A-Y. Enter.
Day 3
Can
begins.
you give me 1?
Interest in Ruben is waning.
Yes. Well, then what if we do
A-R-K-E-T space.
market
100. Enter.
100?
Spend $100 on a marketing blitz. Expect approximately 2 extra customers tomorrow.
Okay.
A-D-V-A-S-E space. A-Y. Enter.
Day 4
Stay.
begins. Interest in burger is waning.
Yeah, because that, and you know, that is more in line.
A-R-K-E-T space.
Market
150. Enter.
150.
Spend $150 on a marketing blitz.
It should
Expect
add.
approximately 3 extra
A-D-V-A-S-E
customers
space.
tomorrow.
A-Y. Enter.
Day 5 begins.
5.
Interest in wine is waning.
See, and that
Demand
only
for
gave
Ruben
11.
is surging.
Okay. Well, yeah, the game works. Like, it is playable.
The digital draft. Window.
Nice. Okay. And it is fairly realistic. Like, restaurants in general don't make very much money. The margins are very slim. But
Alt F4. App.py.
that's all I got
Task
time
three.
for today.
App.py
It's
dash
time
ops
for-
26. 1. 0 left paren
time
64
for
dash
lunch.
Windows right paren dash profile. App.py dash ops 2.
But
Ops 2.
yeah, thanks for joining me, y'all. And
Ops two.
I hope you enjoyed seeing
Controls.
me do
Controls.
what I do and how I do it. It gives you an idea as to, yeah. So I'll put this up on my website later, but have a good one.